Meet Simon. Simon loves to sing karaoke, play a competitive game of foosball, and drink an ice-cold Budweiser beer. But he wasn't always this way. Once he was just a baby, alone, afraid, abandoned. But by nothing short of a miracle, he ended up on Chainsaw's doorstep, and they gave him a home. Through hard work and your generous donations, Simon has risen to be the top karaoke host at Chainsaw, an inspiration to us all. But not a day goes by that Simon doesn't wonder where his parents are and what his life would have been like without Chainsaw. Only you can make a difference. You can help karaoke hosts like Simon break free from sobriety and hunger. Donate today, because every child, even 30-year-old beer-drinking ones, deserve hope.